Hi guys, my name is Varun. I'm back again on your channel GetAssist, and in today's video we will talk about WhatsApp broadcast channel. So basically, what is WhatsApp broadcast channel? It is very similar to Instagram broadcast channel or Telegram broadcast channel. I hope you have joined any particular channel on Instagram or on Telegram. So basically, WhatsApp business channel is also running in the same way. But the main key feature of this WhatsApp creator account is that you will get more and more engagement comparatively to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram to WhatsApp. Because generally what we do, WhatsApp has become a very primary messaging application for all of us. We generally WhatsApp or we generally share our things or photos with our friends or colleagues or relatives by using this WhatsApp only. So WhatsApp creator know that you are so much into WhatsApp and you are so much addicted towards WhatsApp. So for any updates or any particular thing you want to know about your favorite star or a creator, you will not always go to Instagram or YouTube and follow them and visit their Instagram broadcast channel on a regular basis. Why? Because we are not that much into these particular apps, but we are so much addicted towards WhatsApp. So WhatsApp will give you a boost on engagement on your channel, through which you can also divert your audience to your YouTube or to your Instagram channel as well. So WhatsApp will give you a personal touch on your broadcast channel towards your audience, because audience are more active on WhatsApp rather than these applications. So if you're thinking to create a channel on WhatsApp, so first of all you need to know these two basic criteria. Very first is you have to download your business WhatsApp account. Basically, you will not get this feature of creating WhatsApp business account on your normal WhatsApp. You need to download business WhatsApp application through Play Store or from your App Store, and then only you need to create the account on business WhatsApp, and then you can create this WhatsApp broadcast channel. And the second criteria is you need to get verified by WhatsApp. First of all, you need to know that if you are already verified on Facebook or in your Instagram, so you can easily get verified on WhatsApp as well. But if you are not verified, so you need to verify yourself first on WhatsApp. And how you can do it? So WhatsApp basically see, are you popular? Do you have audience engagement or not? If you don't have any audience engagement, you will not get this verification. So you need to verify yourself. For that, you need to get few articles on famous website, so that WhatsApp can also know that you are a famous person and people are following you. So these are the two basic criteria after which only you can create a WhatsApp business account. So I hope I have cleared your doubts and I have helped you a lot for creating a WhatsApp business account. Meanwhile, if you're thinking that I'm not getting these options of creating WhatsApp business account, so these are the basic reasons because of why you're not getting the options of WhatsApp business channels. Maybe after 2 or 3 months, WhatsApp will enable this function for all the users of WhatsApp. But right now, these are the two basic criteria through which only you can create a WhatsApp business account. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.